Hello, I hope this video finds you doing well today. I'm sharing 2 ways I like to have oatmeal. Very quick and easy with natural fruits for sweetness. I like to use this Quick Oats Nature's Promise brand along with their soy milk. I use 1 cup of oats, half a cup of water, and 1 cup of soy milk. And just a rule of thumb, when you're doing oats, you want to do normally 2-part liquid, 1 cup oats, depending on how much you're making. I let that simmer for about 10 minutes on low so it can thicken up. I like to use brown sugar. I only use 1 tablespoon and about a teaspoon of cinnamon. And cinnamon is a very good spice that adds flavor and it's good for anti-inflammatory and have a lot of other nutrients packed in it, and it's a very good spice to just add flavor to your oats. And after that, you mix it all together, add it in your bowl. I added some sliced banana, which are high in potassium, and there are also good source of fiber, helps with bloating and getting your digestive tract up and running in the morning. I added some coconut flakes for some added crunch along with maple syrup just to give some sweetness. Now the next one I really love as well because I gave it a twist. I added some frozen mango to the pot of oats and just water this time. I didn't put any milk in it because I like how the water tastes better with the mango. And you just let that simmer and it dissolves very well, but the mango chunk still has texture. You don't want it to overboil to where it's too mushy, but it still has some texture and crunch when you eat it. Add it to your bowl. It's nice and creamy and it's very fruity and it's just delicious. Every bite it just tastes very good. And I added some chia seeds because chia seeds is a good source of fiber, omega-3, a lot of nutrients and minerals that are very good. And chia seeds don't have flavor, so you can throw it in almost any meal and get your nutrients in for the day. Topped with some walnuts, and walnuts are a superfood. I love them so much. Hope you guys enjoy, and I appreciate you so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you soon.